Ways to increase the competitiveness of your business in the market. In today's competitive business landscape, it's important for companies to stay ahead of the game and continuously strive to improve their competitiveness. This is especially true in the digital age, where new competitors can emerge overnight and disrupt entire industries. In this article, we will explore some ways that businesses can increase their competitiveness in the marketplace. Focus on customer experience. One of the most important factors in a company's competitiveness is the quality of its customer experience. Customers have more options than ever before, and they are willing to switch brands if they don't feel valued. Therefore, businesses that prioritize customer experience are more likely to retain customers and attract new ones. To improve customer experience, businesses can invest in customer service training, gather customer feedback, and personalize their interactions with customers. They can also use technology to enhance the customer experience, such as offering online chat support or creating a user-friendly website. Leverage technology. Technology is a game changer for businesses, and those that fail to embrace it risk falling behind their competitors. By leveraging technology, businesses can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance the customer experience. For example, businesses can use data analytics to gain insights into customer behavior and preferences. They can also use automation to streamline processes and reduce errors. Additionally, businesses can use social media and other digital platforms to reach new customers and build brand awareness. Invest in innovation. Innovation is key to staying ahead of the competition. By investing in research and development, businesses can create new products and services that meet the changing needs of customers. They can also improve existing products and services to make them more competitive in the market. To foster innovation, businesses can create a culture of experimentation and encourage employees to think outside the box. They can also collaborate with other companies, universities, and research institutions to share knowledge and resources. Build strong partnerships. No business can succeed alone. Building strong partnerships with suppliers, distributors, and other stakeholders can help businesses gain a competitive edge. By working together, businesses can reduce costs, improve efficiency, and access new markets. To build strong partnerships, businesses should focus on building trust and mutual respect. They should also be clear about their expectations and communicate openly and honestly. Differentiate your brand. Differentiation is key to standing out in a crowded marketplace. Businesses need to identify what sets them apart from their competitors and emphasize those unique selling points. To differentiate your brand, businesses can focus on their core values and mission. They can also create a strong brand identity through consistent messaging and visual branding. Additionally, businesses can offer unique products or services that solve a specific customer need. Monitor your competitors. Finally, businesses need to stay informed about their competitors. By monitoring their competitors, businesses can identify potential threats and opportunities.